Saintgits College of Engineering presents Home Magic 2020.
Are you eating safe? 400k deaths are caused annually by contaminated food and water. 200 plus diseases are caused by unsafe food. 1 in 10 people fall ill every year from eating contaminated food. Make sure your food is not adulterated. Let's do some quick tests. Let's see if your milk is adulterated with water. Put a drop of milk on a polished slanting surface. Pure milk flows slowly, leaving a white tail behind. Adulterated milk will flow immediately without leaving a mark. The tail formation is due to the total solids in the milk. Adulteration of coconut oil with other oils. Take coconut oil in a transparent glass. Place this glass in refrigerator for 30 minutes. Do not keep in freezer. After refrigeration, coconut oil solidifies. If coconut oil is adulterated, then other oils remains as separate layers. Different oils have different freezing points. Let's check the quality of your eggs. Take a glass of water. Immerse your egg into it. Observe the position of the egg. Fresh egg sinks. Air builds up inside the egg as it ages, and this increases its buoyancy. As a result, egg floats. Detection of malachite green in green vegetables. Take a cotton piece soaked in water or vegetable oil. Rub the outer green surface or small part of green vegetable. If the cotton turns green, then it is adulterated with malachite green. Malachite green dissolves in water or oil, which imparted green color to the cotton. Detection of chicory powder in coffee powder. Take a transparent glass of water. Add a teaspoon of coffee powder. Coffee powder floats over the water, but chicory begins to sink. This happens because of water absorption property of chicory. Chicory absorbs water more quickly than coffee powder. Detection of common salt and iodized salt. Cut a piece of potato, add salt and wait for a minute. Add 2 drops of lemon juice. If it is iodized, blue color will develop. In case of common salt, there will be no color. Blue color is due to the reaction between starch present in potato and iodine in the salt. Citric acid present in lemon juice aids the release of iodine.
Changing and busy lifestyles of consumers has led to high demand for processed and convenience foods. We need more of the technologies to meet this demand. Eat healthy and safe. Stay healthy. Thank you for watching.